Hi, my name is Sherry Rizzuti and I'm the owner at Collectors Gallery, and we service the Oak Forest area. We'd like to give you something special, but first let me tell you a little bit about our business.
We buy many different old types of toys, mostly back into the 40s, 30s and 40s is what you're looking for. The old tin toys, wind-up toys, old Lionel trains, all those toys we do buy. What's really important in the old toys is if you have the original box. Sometimes the box for the toy can actually be worth more than the actual toy. So if you have the box, that's definitely a bonus for the toys. Other types of toys we buy are old sports figures, old tin toys from the war. They made little war figures, again, old Lionel trains, and the boxes are definitely a bonus for you.
Now what I'd like you to do is go to our website and see how you can get access to 20 free videos answering your most frequently asked questions. These videos will help you understand the vast array of products and services we offer. Now for that special offer we had talked about in the beginning. I'd like to send you a voucher for a free appraisal on any item that you bring into our store. Now if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone and give us a call at 708-633-8394. We'll be happy to speak with you and answer any and all of your questions.